Hi everyone, I'm Anna, and today I want to talk about my project, which is AI generated face recognition. The idea came from my Facebook feed, which is absolutely full of AI content. While I can usually spot the fakes, I noticed that many people around me couldn't, and let's face it, that is a problem nowadays. So, I tried to build a tool to classify human face photos as real or fake. My model was trained on a dataset of 140,000 images and ended up with a validation accuracy of 95%, which is pretty good if you think about that. My chosen approach was bring your own method. So I tried to create my own neural network for this. My network has four convolutional layers and two fully connected layers. But the trick wasn't in this structure, it was about optimizing it. I focused on spotting tiny details that give AI images away, like inconsistent pixels in the backgrounds. Actually, in a research paper I came across, it was mentioned that AI generated images are often recognizable because of their inaccuracies in generating realistic backgrounds. I also tried some other ideas, like pre-processing images with edge detection or sharpening filters, but I didn't have the time to fully integrate them. Still, it's I think a good idea and would love to try it later. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's see how it works. First, I run this notebook. I am using radio for creating the user interface, which will open in a new window. Then you upload the photo and wait. The app will automatically run the model and tell you if it's real or AI generated, along with a confidence score. I am using my test set that I split from the original dataset before training. I am using only 5% of the data. Still, you can see that I have plenty. I can also crop the images so it will only include faces. In theory, it would be a great tool to use when uploading, for example, pictures of a large group of people. In theory. Speaking of which, let's talk lessons learned. One big thing I found is that AI generated images often have patterns we don't even notice, but machines pick up on. The downside? My model struggled when I tested it on random images from the internet. That's likely because of data leakage in my training set. Basically, the model might be cheating by recognizing things it shouldn't. And it's clearly not something that can identify AI generated images generally. That's all from me. Thanks for listening, and if you have any idea why this fails at random images, let me know. Thank you.